Good morning students, class 10, chapter number 13, surface area and volumes, exercise 13.2. In the previous video, we have just complete out exercise 13.1. So now start exercise 13.2. First question. A solid in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere. एक हेमिस्फेयर और आपको उसके ऊपर एक कोन स्टैंड करना है. So we just draw a shape of a hemisphere like a bowl, half cut lemon and so on, and we draw a cone above it. With both their radii being equal to 1 centimeter. So radii of both is 1 centimeter and the height of the cone is equal to its radius. Height of the cone is equal to radius. So it is also 1 centimeter. Find the volume of the solid in term of pi. तो हमें पूरे सॉलिड का वॉल्यूम फाइंड आउट करना है इन टर्म ऑफ पाई. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सॉलिड, वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉलिड इज इक्वल टू सिंपली वॉल्यूम ऑफ हेमिस्फेयर प्लस वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन. वॉल्यूम ऑफ हेमिस्फेयर प्लस volume of cone. Volume of hemisphere, the formula is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of cone 1 upon 3 pi r square h. 2 upon 3 into pi into 1 raised to the power 3, 1 upon 3 pi 1 square into 1. Then after calculation 2 pi by 3 plus pi by 3, it means simply 3 pi by 3. So net answer is pi centimeter cube. So we can say that volume of the solid is pi centimeter cube in the term of pi. It's very simple. I sure you can understand. So just note down. Okay students, now question number 3. In the question number 3, a gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. It means in a container there are gulab jamun and sugar syrup also, and the quantity of sugar syrup is 30% of volume of gulab jamun, and there are total 45 gulab jamuns. And the shape of each gulab jamun is like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends. So firstly we draw a shape of a gulab jamun. It's shaped like a cylinder and two hemispherical ends. Now what is the dimension? The length 5 centimeter, यानी कि length of the gulab jamun is 5 centimeter and the diameter is 2.8 centimeter. Its mean height is 1.4 centimeter. And the height of the cylindrical part is, to find out height of the cylindrical part, we have to remove radii of both hemispherical parts. It means 5 minus 2.8 is 2.2 centimeter. Now we find out volume of one gulab jamun. So volume of one गुलाब जामुन, एक गुलाब जामुन का वॉल्यूम. अ गुलाब जामुन कंटेन अ सिलेंडर एंड टू हेमिस्फेरिकल एंड्स. तो इट्स मीन वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर प्लस 2 मल्टीप्लाई वॉल्यूम ऑफ hemisphere. Volume of cylinder pi r square h plus 2 multiply volume of hemisphere 2/3 pi r cube. Now put the dimensions. Pi, what is the radius of the cylindrical part? 1.4 whole square, and the height 2.2 plus 4/3 pi 1.4 whole cube. Now calculate. For calculation, we can take pi multiply 1.4 as a common, 1.4 whole square as a common, in the bracket 2.2 plus 4/3 multiply 1.4. Pi multiply 1.4 whole square 2.2/1 plus 5.6/3. After taking LCM in a bracket 6.6 plus 5.6/3. So pi multiply 1.4 whole square 6.6 and 5.6. Sum of both values is 12.2. 12.2/3. So it is the volume of one gulab jamun. Now we have to find out volume of 45 gulab jamuns. Volume of 45 gulab jamuns. So we just multiply by 45. Multiply by volume of one gulab jamun by 45, and it is the volume of 45 gulab jamuns. Now we have to find out volume of sugar syrup, and according to question, volume of sugar syrup is, so now find out volume of sugar syrup. शुगर सिरप का वॉल्यूम कितना है हमारे पास? 30%. 30% of volume of 45 gulab jamuns. Okay, now after calculation we find out its volume is 338.184 centimeter cube, but we have to find out answer in nearest centimeter cube. So we can say that the volume of sugar syrup is 338 centimeter cube. So I hope the question is clear, and remember कैलकुलेशन इन डन इन द लास्ट. आप जो मल्टीप्लाई वगैरह करोगे वो लास्ट में करना, स्टार्टिंग में आपको ज्यादा मल्टीप्लिकेशन नहीं करनी है. सो आई होप द क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर. जस्ट नोट डाउन. इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी कंटिन्यू एक्सरसाइज 13.2. थैंक यू वेरी मच.